guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Susan and I'm a Namibian YouTube content creator. So I promised you a video on websites that ship worldwide. The last video I showed you on where I bought my dress and all that. So the list is coming, don't worry. And I'm sorry for being MIA, and I'm so thankful to you guys for subscribing even when I'm not here, and keep your subscription. I'm so grateful. And also I want to welcome one of my members. I have a member, guys, somebody who's actually decided to invest in me every month. That's big. Thank you so much. Thank you. So today we're doing a video on hydrogen peroxide, how to dye your hair with hydrogen peroxide. So this one I tried doing I tried bleaching my hair with Revlon dye. It was honey blonde or something, and it didn't work out because I didn't do a patch test to see if I'm allergic to the dye, and I was actually allergic, and I ended up with a burning scalp, and I ended up just washing it out. So today we have our hydrogen peroxide here. It's a leftover from what I've already used. I used it to dye my wig, and I also have the baking soda, bicarbonate of soda. So they have different names. In America it's a different name, baking soda, and then we are saying bicarbonate of soda. So yeah, but before we start, let me introduce you to this product, guys. I got these blades from Amazon. These are beautiful blades, and they help you into keeping your brows in shape. Guys, can you see this? If you can see that, all of this. One feature that makes your face dirty is your brows. Once they are not in check, then they just put off the whole face because they just look busy. So my sister had been on my case oh, do your brows and all that. I actually ended up buying this, and if you want to buy this, go down below. There's a link to my Amazon affiliate program. When you use my code, I might get a percentage from your purchase. So please, if you want to buy this, please, there's a link I'm putting down here. So this is how they are. This is not a paid promotion, by the way. I'm just showing you, ladies, this is how it is. And there's also a part in the enclosure, there's this part, and you just put this inside like this, and you only have this part left. So this helps you so much when you want to do your brows. Now just look at this, and you can do it in minutes, 2 minutes, and you don't have to go to the salon. We pay $20 here to do your brows. So you just do this, and you can see my lashes are protected by this. So you just do this. Look at this. Clean, guys, clean. And even me, I feel like I'm guilty of trying to do my brows while they are not trimmed. So brows are very important for your look. So when you're going to try and do the brows, to paint your brows, if they are not trimmed, then they won't look as great. And for the top, I just do this. I remove, and then I just do this a little bit. And sometimes I comb them upwards like this, and then I press it like this, and then it cuts. See? So that when you're done, when you comb, it won't give you a hard time. So that's it. If you want this, go down in the link, and then you'll be able to do your brows alone at home. See? Clear. Yeah, so they are called Hydro Silk Touch Up, for touching up when you don't want to go to the salon. Okay, now let's go in the video. We wasted already too much time. You have hydrogen peroxide and bicarbonate. So I'm gonna use 1/4 cup. Yeah, so I'm gonna just put it, this is my container, I'm gonna be using this. So I'm just gonna put in baking soda, and this I'm gonna do a cup again, I mean a quarter, and then I just mix it in. And you have to be careful, this can burn you. Hydrogen peroxide is so strong, it can burn you. Yeah, and I've already gotten like many questions from my husband, like, why are you dyeing your hair? So you're just trying, I'm just trying to put it in a paste, but I don't see any reaction. Maybe I was just supposed to. Okay, the other way to dye your hair, you just put the hydrogen peroxide in the bottle, in a spray bottle, and you mix it with what? With water, like equal parts, and then you can just spray. I feel like that's easier, because this one, what I'm trying to do right now, I don't know if it's gonna work. It didn't even sizzle or fizzle. Is it fizzle? Yeah, it didn't even fizzle. So, but let's try. Okay, I'm gonna go in. This is supposed to help you like put it in your hair, but I don't think it's gonna work. But let's try. It's already touching my skin. This is a disaster. Big mistake. Oh my god, I'm gonna use my shirt since it's white. Wow, it's already burning. Okay, sorry guys, I'm back. I was doing it wrong. Like, I thought it was gonna mix into a paste or something, but it's not doing that. So I'm just gonna dip this and then put it on my hair. Ah, big mistake. And I'm gonna mess my clothes up. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so I think I know what I did wrong. I used too much baking, I used too much hydrogen peroxide. I was just supposed to add a little bit to form a paste, but now it didn't form a paste because I just poured in so much. So I think this is how it was supposed to be. Like that, I think, but we'll see. So guys, this is it. This is the end result. I didn't keep it in for a long time as it was supposed to be, and I feel like it's bouncing off some lights. That's why it looks a little bit darker, but I feel like it turned out to be how I wanted it to be, at least, or lighter, because I just wanted it to be lighter than how it was already. But if you don't see the difference, then I don't know, I see a difference, and that's why I washed it out quick. Also, like, I was supposed to wait more than 30 minutes, but I washed it out faster because I didn't want it going all like super blondie. But yeah, this is it. And there are some spots that are just, not really like light like the other spots. But yeah, this is it. Hydrogen peroxide, yeah, hydrogen peroxide, no, sodium peroxide and bicarbonate of soda. This is it. And if you want to buy stuff like the blades I showed you before from Amazon, please follow the link below and it will take you to my down my affiliate link, and yeah, maybe I can get a percentage of what you spent. Yeah, it's not like you're gonna pay any less anywhere else. It's just the same. It's just that you're also helping me because I spread the awareness, you know. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you like it. And yeah, I like it that it's mostly just the same color as my skin, and I don't have to, like, you know, I hate standing out. I hate standing out. And for some reason it curled my hair. My hair is so curled now. Look at these strands. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time in the following video on it could be between on the websites that ship to Namibia, or else I'll just give you tips on building a house in Namibia, again, like how to buy a plot or where to find a plot that is not a scam, or if you are a foreigner and you want to buy land in Namibia, or if what, how to choose your contractor, how to choose the architect or something like that. So yeah, bye guys.